Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens Loop, where we cover the latest in camera gear, tech, and behind-the-scenes leaks. Just when it seemed like DJI had wrapped up its big releases for the year, bam, something totally unexpected surfaces. A 360-degree camera from DJI. Yes, you heard that right. Out of nowhere, detailed leaks about a device called the DJI Osmo 360 have taken over the internet. It hasn't been announced officially, and DJI hasn't said a word about it. But the leaks are so extensive, you'd think the camera was already in stores. From design shots to internal components, it feels like someone opened up DJI's secret vault. So today, we're breaking it all down. What's leaked, what we can expect, and whether this camera is a real deal or just a well-developed concept that may never see the light of day. So what's actually been leaked? A lot. Seriously, a lot. We're talking tear-down photos, quick start manuals, internal views, and even high-quality images showing the camera from every angle. The rumored name? DJI Osmo 360. It's a dual-lens setup designed for 360-degree footage, and its design leans toward compact and stubby, unlike the taller Insta360 X3 or X4. Think more like a squared-off action cam, with dimensions around 6.5 centimeters wide and 9 centimeters tall. Visually, it seems to combine elements of the GoPro Max and Insta360 X3, all wrapped up in DJI's signature minimalist design. Let's get into the internals. According to the leaks, the Osmo 360 features a 45-degree mirror setup, a smart trick also used by Insta360. This design helps reduce bulk, which could give DJI room to boost processing performance or battery life. As for power, it appears to use a 7.55 WH removable battery, the same type found in the Osmo Action 3 and 4. If you're already part of DJI's ecosystem, that's good news. Your existing batteries might work right out of the box. Controls include a touchscreen along with 3 physical buttons for power, record, and navigation. Connectivity options seem robust, with support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C, and micro SD cards. A curious detail, the tripod socket is surrounded by 4 copper contacts, which may allow for data transfer or power accessories. Could we be looking at future smart add-ons? Possibly. One of the biggest signs that this might be more than just a prototype is its connection to the DJI MIMO app. The leaked manual suggests full app integration, which means users might get DJI's solid editing tools and real-time control right from their phones. No word yet on video resolution or frame rates, but given DJI's track record, high-performance specs are likely on the table. Still, nothing is confirmed, so we'll have to wait for the official word, if it ever comes. Now here's where things get a little uncertain. According to DJI tipster Jasper Ellens, there's no retail data to suggest this camera is ready for launch. No early shipments, no listings, and no typical pre-release activity. That's rare for DJI, who usually ramps up distribution well before a public release. It's possible that this is just a fully developed prototype, quietly being tested behind the scenes. Some speculate that DJI might be holding back due to regulatory complications or market timing, especially considering the complex legal landscape DJI navigates in places like the US. So yes, the Osmo 360 is real, but whether it ever makes it to store shelves, still a mystery. Here's why this is a big deal. DJI has been building its presence in the action cam market for years. The first Osmo Action came out in 2019 to challenge GoPro, but it wasn't until the Action 3 and 4 that they started getting serious recognition. Meanwhile, Insta360 carved out a stronghold in the 360 space, with its X2, X3, and now X4/X5 models becoming industry favorites. GoPro still has a Max, but updates have been minimal and underwhelming. So if DJI enters the 360 game now, bringing its stabilization tech, ecosystem compatibility, and top-tier build quality, it could totally disrupt the current balance. So what's the verdict? The DJI Osmo 360 is definitely not a hoax. There's way too much legitimate material for that. But whether DJI will actually release it, that's still up in the air. At Lens Loop, we'll be keeping a close eye on every development. If you're as excited about this leak as we are, Be sure to like the video, subscribe for more updates, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. This could be the start of something big, or it might just be a glimpse into what could have been. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep capturing life in 360.